Assalamu alaikum 9th class. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Have a very good morning. Class, as you know that we are discussing chapter number 4. In chapter number 4, we are discussing about the cellular structure and functions. We have discussed about cell wall, that is the outermost membrane in plant cells, in prokaryotic cells, in fungus, in protista, and we have also discussed cell membrane, that is the outermost membrane of animal cells, and in plant cell it is second to the cell wall. Class, we have already discussed about the structure, composition and functions of cell membrane. Today our topic of discussion is cytoplasm. Cyto means cell, plasm means plasma. Why it is called cytoplasm? Because it is I have noted certain points about it. It is a semi-viscous, semi-transparent. Semi-viscous mean partially viscous है, विस्कोसिटी इसकी पार्शल है. हनी और अगर हम वाटर के दरमियान कोई ऐसा सब्सटेंस देखें जिसकी विस्कोसिटी हनी से कम और वाटर से ज़्यादा हो तो वो ये सब्सटेंस है. सेमी ट्रांसपेरेंट है. सेमी ट्रांसपेरेंट का ये मतलब है ये कुछ जो है वो लाइक वाटरी लाइक है, ठीक है. समहाउ ये ट्रांसपेरेंट है, लाइट को पास करने देता है. इसकी कंपोजिशन देखें तो मेजर कंपोजिशन जो है वो साइटोप्लाज्म के अंदर वाटर की है. बट वाटर इट कंटेन्स वाटर इन विच many organic molecules such as proteins, carbohydrates, lipids and inorganic salts are completely or partially dissolved. Salts जिसमें कुछ ऑर्गेनिक भी हैं कुछ इनऑर्गेनिक भी हैं वो completely इस वाटर में डिज़ोल्व हैं. इट मीन्स ये इसकी विस्कोसिटी को बढ़ाते हैं वाटर से और ये इसकी ट्रांसपेरेंसी को पार्शल करने का बायस बनते हैं. नॉट completely transparent, it is semi transparent. It means that somehow in water some inorganic and organic salts are dissolved. Now let's explore its functions. There are certain functions of cytoplasm inside the cell. Actually cytoplasm is a space between the nuclear envelope and cell membrane. यानी अगर हम एक सेल की बात करें, let's talk about a plant cell. This is the nucleus of plant cell and this is you can say the plasma membrane. So nuclear envelope, cytoplasm is all the area that covers between this nuclear envelope and cell membrane is called cytoplasm. In this cytoplasm many organelles are present. This may be the one function of cytoplasm. It provides space for functioning of many organelles like mitochondria, vacuole, chloroplast, Golgi apparatus. And second important function of cytoplasm, it provide a site for biochemical reactions. It provide a site how? It provide favorable conditions to carry the biochemical reactions. It also provide water to carry out the biochemical reactions, like for example some reactions are discussed here. Glycolysis is the breakdown of glucose that is necessary for the provision of energy in animal and plant cells. So breakdown of glucose is also a process that happens inside the cells in cytoplasm. Cytoplasm provide space as well as site as well as favorable condition for this. And also one example is cellular respiration that also occurs in cytoplasm. So that was about the cytoplasm, its composition, its importance and its functions. I hope you understand. If you have any query or question then you can ask